Jaime here again. So in this video, we're going to talk about the Revit Button create wall skirtings or finishes by room. And it is based on room finishing by Beam 42, but again with a few improvements and new cool features. So this button is basically part of the set of bottoms called the best of the best. And it is available completely for free in Nonica tab free in Autodesk App Store. So let's go. Okay, so we're back in Revit. In this case, we have the first floor of a public building. This is the one we're going to use in this video. And as we can see, well, the rooms do not have any wall skirtings, and the bathrooms do not have any wall finish, like tiling finish or anything like that. So we're gonna go first for generating the skirtings in the kitchen and the dining room area, and then we're gonna focus on wall finishes in the bathrooms. So first of all, we need a floor plan which has the rooms defined. So, and then we can select the Revit button. In this case, create wall finish by room. As I said, this is included in Nonica tab free. It's completely for free, available in Autodesk App Store. And as soon as we click, we have like several settings we can select. So we can select all rooms, or we can select a specific rooms. Depending on the number of rooms you have in the current view, it can take a few seconds to run. So in this case, we're going to select a few rooms only. And then the wall type. This is basically the wall type that is going to be used for the skirting. So we're going to select trellis member. And then the height. So first of all, we're going to run it with a fixed value, and then we will see the other option. So with the fixed value, we can define different units as well, but let's run for 10 centimeters and then create a skirtings. So now we need to select the rooms we want to create the skirting for. As soon as we run, what this is gonna do is gonna automatically recognize the room boundaries, and it's going to generate wall skirtings in all the perimeter of the room. But the cool thing is that actually the doors, other openings, for example, if you have like room separation lines or curtain walls, in those cases, the skirting is not gonna be created. So it's only gonna be created for, well, for other type of boundaries like walls. Also, if there are like doors, the openings are gonna be respected by the new skirting. So as we see, well, the new skirtings have been created, but this is probably easier to see in the 3D view. So in here, we see the new skirtings, and as I was mentioning before, we see that the doors are also respected. So we don't need to create them manually, and that has been automatically created for all the boundaries of the rooms. Okay, that's cool. So let's go for wall finishes. Let's imagine we have a bathroom, but instead of creating a skirting, we want to create a tiling, a wall finish. So in order to do that, what we can do is we can use the same button, but now, well, we select rooms again. We're going to select a wall type. But now, instead of selecting a fixed value, we're going to select from room parameter. Basically, this is going to set the height of the new wall finish using a parameter in rooms. This is quite helpful if you have like different ceiling heights or different heights of rooms. So you can actually define a parameter in the rooms and then select it to set the height of the wall. So in this case, we're going to use the unbounded height as the height of the wall finishes. And then we click on create a skirting. Now we select the two rooms and we click on finish. In this view, is actually not visible because the wall finishes are joined. But if we go again to the 3D view, we see that we have this new layer on top, which is the wall finish that we just generated. Again, the doors and other openings in the wall are also there, so we don't need to manually do that. The tool automatically generates those wall finishes for us again. Okay, so that's the end of the video. I hope you enjoy. Subscribe if you want to see other Revit bottoms in action. See you. Bye bye.